Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Today we are going to discuss about episode 7. This part we are discussing about Krishna is Purnam, complete. Krishna is complete whole. That is the matter we discussed since episode 4. Now in this today also we are continuing with the same matter. Krishna's love. First, what is Krishna's love? Krishna's love is unconditional. Love is unconditional. Krishna's love is unconditional. How to understand Krishna's love? People loves who loves them. That means if you know about love, then you can understand Krishna's love. Krishna never forgot us. Although we forgotten Krishna, Krishna never forgot us. That is his love. When you love someone, you don't forget. If you actually love somebody or someone or your son or your wife or anybody, you don't forget them. This is the condition. Then you don't love someone, they tell their name 10 times also. You forget because you don't love them. Because even though they tell their name 10 times also, you forget because you don't like them. Even he tells 10 times also, you forget. Krishna's love expressed in the form of unforgetfulness. Although you forgot Krishna since many births, but Krishna never forgot us. That is Krishna's love. Krishna's love expressed in the form of unforgetfulness. Love means you don't forget a person. If you forget, that means that is not love. That is something else. So, love means you don't forget a person. Love means you never forget a person. Forgetting and remembering is not so easy. It requires love. Even though we forgot Krishna, Krishna never forget us. That is the only reason now also we are in Krishna consciousness today. This is the only reason we are sustaining or surviving or continuing just for this one reason. We have to serve Krishna just for this one reason. Since many births, we forgot Krishna, but Krishna never forgot us. He loves, we have to serve Krishna just for this one reason. He loves me so much, he never forgets. The moment we forget Krishna, we go for sense gratification. Krishna bhuliye se bhogavancha kare. He is the only person who accompanying us. Nobody loves like Krishna. Life after life, for eternity. That's why Krishna is unique in our life. Only except Krishna. Nobody remembers us. Nobody remembers us. Even present father and mother, we can change in next life. We will change. Present wife, children, in next life, the whole set will change. But Krishna, as Paramatma, from millions of births, he is following us. Krishna is after us. Krishna is after me and after you and after anybody else. We misunderstood him. We ran away from him. We forgotten him. But he say, I did not forget you. You are looking other side. But I wait patiently till you look towards me. This is love. This is love. This is tolerance. This is patience. Love contains all the qualities. Krishna remembered me. That's why I reviving my Krishna consciousness in this birth. If we understand this one person in our life, that is sufficient. All questions related to that. Why is after me? Why is he loving me? Why is he not giving me up? Why is he making all these arrangements? It is Krishna sending everyone through coming to us. Somebody is giving fruits, somebody is giving flowers. It is all Krishna's love for us. But he is behind. Don't advertise himself. Love means he don't tell everybody. Love means I love you every next moment. Love means you do things. Krishna is doing things. He is not speaking words. He already did. He is doing so much. Love means without expectation. Love means doing the things without expectation. That is love. As Paramatma, he is being with us life after life, millions of lives. But Krishna did much more than that. He puts himself under the devotee. That is Krishna. He became Parthasarathi. As Paramatma, he is as super soul. But when Krishna takes active interest in our life, Krishna takes subordinate position to his devotees. Or Krishna bends his back to recover us. He does unusual things to cancel your karma. He changes your situations. He cuts through all your karma. He cuts through phalanxes to deliver us. Who is bound to material existence? He acts in such a way that his love for him goes. He arranges circumstances to closer to him day by day. As Paramatma, he is only observing, counting, trying to circumstances and all. But as Krishna, he personally does for you. He changes some circumstances. He creates some circumstances, like in the life of Maharaja Parikshit. Krishna creates circumstances to detach and hear Srimad Bhagavatam. He sends all the sages to him. It is Krishna's intervention. And the way Krishna acts through his devotees. When Krishna sends his devotee in our life, Krishna takes special interest in our life. I am in the best situation, in a best possible way to serve Krishna. If we come to this conclusion, we completely satisfied. We completely, fully satisfied. Otherwise, we can't understand Krishna. Mostly, we are approaching Krishna consciousness distant. We are not close. We are not going deep. That's why incompleteness is still there. This is the matter. Now I stop. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Sri Radha Govind Ji Bhagwan ki jai. निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल।